Ganesh? You go, ma'am has cut heart shapes, no? You go and select according to your taste. And select the same color and paste to your friend, okay? Go, select. Go, select. Which color do you like the most? Yes. Ma'am will paste to your shirt. Yes. You say, take the same color. Take the same color. Same color. Green itself.
Same color.
Whom do you want to paste that?
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend? Whom do you want to paste? Your friend.
తీసుకెళ్ళి నీకు ఇష్టమైన వాళ్ళకి పెట్టు.
నీకు ఇష్టమైన వాళ్ళకి పెట్టు. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళకి పెట్టు. పెట్టేసి.
ఎవరంటే ఇష్టం నీకు?
Keep that one to your friend. Make it fast. Ganesh. Keep to Ganesh. Let him keep Ganesh. Let him keep.
Ganesh పెడతాను.
Okay. Show it to me, Ganesh. Thank